golden birds. The camouflage ability of golden birds, their skill in acting a part, their qualities of courage and self-sacrifice make them creatures that truly amaze us. This bird that lives in Patagonia makes its nest in an open pasture. Immediately before the mother bird lays the egg, it is covered with earth designs. This is a special defense created to camouflage the egg. So, the eggs will not be noticed in the grass. If a vulture, human beings, or some other danger approaches the nest, the golden bird makes some surprising movements. It leaps out of its nest and begins running. Then it imitates a bird with a broken wing in the grass. When the stranger comes up close to it, it starts to run off again. Farther on, it lies down on the ground again and pretends to be injured. Its purpose is to distract the approaching stranger's attention from the nest. When the danger is sufficiently past, it stops acting and flies back to the nest. Here the bird displays remarkable behavior. It is a great act of self-sacrifice for a little bird to put itself in danger for its young. This self-sacrifice cannot be explained at all by the theory of evolution, which claims that animals are selfish. The example of the golden bird discredits this assumption and shows once again that God has created in animals their intelligent and self-sacrificial behavior.